Hey yogis and friends, this is Innovasana Think Tank at Yogea Yoga, and I'm Antonia, and we are about to practice a new asana, Seashell. So let's do it. Start from a kneeling position. Drop your hips to the right. Step your left foot to the side. Now open your right shin out. Scoot your hips towards your shin. Once you're here, lower your left knee down to the floor. Bring your right shoulder into your right knee. Now, as you extend your right arm, step your left foot into the floor. Then step it a little closer to your hand and slowly slide the outside edge of your left foot into the crease of your right arm and elbow. Bend the elbow. Clasp the hands. Now this is the first part of Seashell. If you want to bring it up over the head, clasp the hands behind your head and around your neck. Open the knee out, and now lift your gaze, shoulders down. There's a little bit of a twist and a little bit of a heart opener here. And here is your seashell. Seashells on the seashore. It's like that tongue twister, right? If you like this, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, Yogea Yoga, and practice many more new asanas, creative poses, classical poses, as well as targeted routines, only on our YouTube channel, Yogea Yoga.